Leo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong July 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Leo. What's coming to you? Money, career, finances, kaperahan. July 2025. Uy, victory! Ang ganda! This is celebration. May achievement. Oh, meron kayo ma-achieve sa career, trabaho nyo, business ninyo. Something sweet. Oh, yung iba, maaring ang negosyo nyo may kinalaman sa matatamis, desserts, beverages. Alam nyo, itong victory nyo na to is dahil sa inyong pagtsatsaga, dahil sa inyong efforts sa trabaho ninyo. Kasi yung mga bees, they're very hardworking. Oh my God, evolution. This is a new beginning. This is endings and new beginnings. Transformation. So, yung iba, pwedeng nagtatransform ang inyong career, yung business nyo, yung finances ninyo, dahil na rin sa hirap na pinagdaanan ninyo at doon sa effort na ibinigay nyo. Trinabaho nyo talaga to. So, dahil dyan, you will be rewarded sa inyong mga ginawa in the past. So, very creative rin kayo. Maaring this is related to your creativity, talents, and skills. May mga creative ideas rin kayo ngayon. Pwedeng gusto nyong mag-start ng business. Or mas, kung may business na kayo, gusto nyo pang dagdagan. Or, you know, may mga ideas pa kayo ngayon na gusto nyong i-monetize. Puro mga insects. So, I see a lot of number 1, no? 111, 1111. This is also a spiritual awakening for you, Leo. Yung mga pagbabago na nangyayari sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa finances mo. You are becoming a better version of yourself sa pag-handle ng pera, sa pag-handle ng trabaho mo, ng negosyo. You are going to build something Parang meron ka i-build na empire. Oh, 'di ba? Building an empire. Let's see what else. Wow, ang ganda naman, Leo. 9 of Cups. This is fulfillment. So, something is going to be fulfilled sa mga wishes nyo sa trabaho. Yung gusto nyong trabaho, gusto nyong career, posisyon sa trabaho, business. Page of Swords. You're going to learn new things. May exploration, may pag-aaral. Can be self-study. Wow. Queen of Pentacles is financial stability. Having the resources that you need. Yung iba may mabibili kayong mga assets, no? Ari-arian. Lupa, bahay, sasakyan na magagamit mo para mas mapaunlad mo pa yung finances mo. Wow, grabe, 3 of Swords. This is expansion. Kung may negosyo ka, mas lumalawak, mas dumadami yung customers mo, mas dumadami yung branches mo, branches ng mga businesses mo, or mas dumadami yung services na ino-offer mo, or yung products. This is also expansion of your knowledge. Okay? So, learning is also very important sa inyo. Oh my God. You have the Magician. The Magician is manifestation. So, you are manifesting your dream life, your dream career, your dream business, your dream savings account. It's time to make that change. Napaka lakas ng loob nyo ngayon na magsimula or mag-try ng mga bagong bagay na never nyo pang nasubukan before. You're like shedding the old you. Oo. Yung dating ikaw. Kasi ngayon, may bago na. It's a brand new version of yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, sikat. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong certain following. You are, nasa entertainment ka, social media, or meron kang natural talents na isi-share mo sa mundo in any way. And ngayong July din, importante sa'yo yung setting ng goals, pagsusulat, no, ng mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Mas matatrack mo kasi, mas makikita mo yung progress mo kapag sinusulat mo yung mga goals mo. See, some of you are educators, some of you are teaching, mentoring, coaching others. Sinishare nyo yung inyong kakayanan, abilities para sa iba. At dahil doon, mas lalo kayo i-bless. I-bless kayo dahil tumutulong kayo para mas mapaunlad pa yung community, yung mga tao sa paligid nyo. You will also spend time with nature. Napaka-importante niyan. Na kapag may mga challenges or you're feeling down, just go out and ground yourself. Maglakad ka na bare feet, ganyan. Touch some grass, sabi nga nila, no? So, you're going to treat yourself with proper care. Yung mga goals mo for yourself, magagawa mo na. Oo. Like, may gusto kang bilhin na damit para sa sarili mo, mga kailangan mo, makeup, or mga accessories, tools na kailangan mo for your health, or kung ikaw ay nagji-gym, no? This is you nurturing yourself. Kasi pag mas alagang-alaga mo yung sarili mo, mas marami kang kayang gawin. 'Di ba? Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. So, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo is going to help you in making decisions. So, pay attention sa iyong kutob, yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi yun yung guide mo kung anong path or direction yung tatahakin mo. Pay attention, a powerful message is being communicated to you now. So, there's an important message that is being communicated sa'yo. So, maaring ito na yun, no? Giving you assurance that everything will be all right ngayong July. You know, it's time to make some noise in your career, in your business, and be more confident sa pag-achieve mo ng goals and dreams mo. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. O, diba? Meron ka pang madidiscover about yourself. Yung mga kakayanan mo na hindi mo akalain na kaya mo palang gawin. It is unfolding now. Kasi nagkakaroon ka ng opportunity na, you know, magamit yung natutulog mong talents yung mga abilities mo na akala mo hindi mo kaya, pero ang galing mo pala doon. So it's more on self-discovery. So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.